Winter Words Song Cycle. Winter Words, Op. 52, is a song cycle for tenor and piano by Benjamin Britten. Written in 1953, it sets 8 poems by Thomas Hardy. Winter Words is one of Britten's few compositions from the period after the premiere of his opera Gloriana. The cycle is named after Hardy's last published collection, but the poems are from different parts of Hardy's collected poems. The cycle was premiered at the Leeds Festival in October 1953, with Peter Pears singing and Britten at the piano. It was dedicated to John and Myfanwy Piper. A performance takes about 22 minutes. The poems are At Day Close in November, Midnight on the Great Western, or The Journeying Boy, Winning 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 Boy, Wagtail and Baby, a satire, The Little Old Table, a choirmaster's burial, or the tenor man's story, proud songsters, thrushes, finches and nightingales, nightingales. At the railway station, or the convict and boy with the violin, before life and after, references,